All right, guys, quick update and really good news. You remember the intake build series we did on YouTube, how to build an intake. We broke down the math and how to do it all and the rough idea of the extent we go to. And that was for Paul Wood's car at Drag Week. I talked about it was able to make an extra 72 horsepower with the intake. Really good results. Paul's informed me that it's now Australia's fastest NA radial car. It's won Drag Week in his class. So really impressed, and really good to see the guys got him across the line. He's obviously got a really good team, and I'm humbled to be involved. Even just doing the intake for it was a great little project for us. And yeah, anyway, here's a bit of footage, and thanks again, guys. Cheers.
Staging up right now is Paul Wood, the leader in Kempe Radial Aspirated. Big block Tirana, big thumper, and Shabugo pass. Paul Wood in the left lane, 835 164.